Welcome to PolkaBTC. Thanks for wanting to try out our new PolkaBTC bridge. I will show you today how you can do an issue request and how you can ultimately receive PolkaBTC on the Polkadot ecosystem. So first of all, make sure that you actually have an account. So here I have two accounts, and I will use the one that doesn't have any dot yet and doesn't have any PolkaBTC yet set. And what I will do, I will issue PolkaBTC by locking Bitcoin inside of the system. What I have in the background ready is my Bitcoin wallet, so that when I actually need to send the Bitcoin transaction, I can do that right away. But don't worry, you have 24 hours to actually send the transaction. So how does it work in practice? Step number one, you actually need some DOT to pay for transaction fees. And you can just click on the DOT faucet and you will receive DOT inside of your account. So now I have one DOT and actually can issue the transaction. My Bitcoin wallet already has testnet Bitcoin, but if you do need testnet Bitcoin to try out the application, please click on the faucet link here. This will actually transfer you to one of the working Bitcoin testnet faucets, and then you can just try it out there. Anyway, let's get to it and let's issue, say, 0.03 PolkaBTC. So we will request this now and we confirm our request here. What is happening, it's going to ask us to actually sign this transaction on the PolkaBTC bridge. So this is the Polka.js extension. And this takes some time to get confirmed based on the block time of the PolkaBTC bridge. Once this is done, you will see that a issue request will pop up down here, and then you will get asked to actually do the Bitcoin payment. So this is the Bitcoin address of the vault that we're going to lock our Bitcoin with. So what I'm doing now in the background is basically copy pasting this into my Bitcoin wallet, and I will just send this Bitcoin transaction. All right, I've just sent my Bitcoin transaction. You can see here a little notification of the Electrum wallet that I've been using for this. You could also scan the QR code here. You can use, for example, a Ledger hardware wallet or a Trezor hardware wallet if you wanted to. And I will say here that I actually made the payment. And you can already see that our system has basically picked up the Bitcoin transaction that you just made. And we can check this on a block explorer. So we're using Blockstream for this. You see that this transaction is unconfirmed as of yet. And we're waiting now that this is included in a block. Basically, what the system will tell you right now is we're working with zero confirmation. So it will say that the Bitcoin transaction itself is already confirmed. Now you could either execute your issue process here, so which would now grant you the PolkaBTC into your account, or you just wait a minute and then a vault will automatically execute this for you. After the Bitcoin transaction is included in a block, as you can see here, the vault went ahead and automatically executed this request, and this gave you the requested 0.03 PolkaBTC in the account. You can also inspect more about the status here, the vault address. You can use this request ID to go on the Polkadot.js apps chain explorer and look at the issue palette and actually filter your request on chain. And obviously you can also check out more of the statistics that we have in the dashboard, so you can view all the issued requests, for example. And this is the request that we made, and you can see that it's completed, and you can see there's also another request going on here in parallel. And by the way, if you don't complete your request, so you don't send the Bitcoin transactions within 24 hours, it will get canceled, and this will also be shown here. All right, this was the demo for the issue part.